So yeah, I've been MIA for a little while, but I'm back. Back now, back in the building. Welcome everybody, it's me, MDC, the MDC here at MDCRX, and your friendly neighborhood pharmacist. And for this video, I'm going to be talking about monkeypox. So, because I know some of you see the rise in monkeypox cases in UK and in the US. So we're going to talk about monkeypox. So currently, I'm in the UK, I'm in London. So this monkeypox thing, it's like the information has relevancy too, especially me right now. But I know people who are probably not here would want to know what it's about, or even people who are here want to know what it's about. So we're gonna talk about it a little bit in this video. Alright, so first of all, what is monkeypox? That is monkeypox. Yeah, I'm going to put up a picture somewhere, but actually that is monkeypox. The first thing is how monkeypox is presented. This is the actual monkeypox virus. Now, monkeypox is something called a zoonotic virus, which basically means it can be transmitted from animals to humans. Now, what are the symptoms of monkeypox? Now, when it comes down to monkeypox, you can actually experience flu-like symptoms. So you might have muscle aches, or you might be experiencing runny nose, coughing, things like that. And also you experience a rash on your skin that kind of presents as vesicles, so like some bumps. Kind of think about chickenpox, but kind of on steroids, Yeah, and you might be having some lesions as well on your skin, all over your body, and sometimes on your face as well. So how is monkeypox transmitted? So I know earlier y'all heard me say it can be transmitted from animals to humans, but it can also be transmitted from humans to humans as well. From direct skin to skin contact, from bodily fluids, and also from, I think they said, air droplets. So it can be air droplets, but it's more direct skin to skin contact and through bodily fluids. Now, there have been some cases of people who are highly sexually active reporting that they have monkeypox, which might lead people to believe that, hey, it might be an STD. But no, it's just because during sex there is direct skin to skin contact, so that's probably why people like that will have a higher chance of getting monkeypox. Now, should we be worried about monkeypox? Is it going to be the next pandemic? Are we going to have lockdowns again because of this? Are we going to have to go back to fully work from home? Which I guess wouldn't be bad. But when we look at monkeypox, you can see that the severe illness cases are just like 3 to 6% when it comes down to monkeypox. Now, when you get monkeypox and you're healthy, you'll have it for like about a week or two, and then you kind of get over it after that. It only really affects badly people who are immunocompromised or have some underlying thing that would potentiate certain effects. And even though it can be spread from human to human spreading is limited, it's not as high as animal to human contact. So yeah, we don't have to really worry as much as with COVID-19, but still kind of be safe about getting it. If you see somebody with probably symptoms, I guess just be cautious about getting it, because I guess who really wants to get it, you know what I mean? And especially since the fact that it doesn't really leave any long-term effects after. It's not like COVID where your lungs get damaged long-term afterwards after having the illness. This doesn't really leave any long-lasting things. You probably have scarring, but that's it. So I don't think we should be worried in terms of, oh my gosh, the world will stop again. But just be worried about we might get monkeypox. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back here again. It feels so nice to actually make a video again. I've made a video in so long. It's been so crazy and so busy around here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for coming this week again. I'm going to be talking about the prevention of monkeypox in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so thanks again, and I hope to see you next week again. Later.